find that was most useful about the performance improvement workshop?
Yeah, there were several things that were really useful in the performance improvement workshop. I would say that I really enjoyed hearing about other treatment centers and having the interaction with them and what they're doing and what's worked for them and what hasn't worked. And we were able to implement a few of their ideas, which is nice to have a different perspective, an outside perspective. Mm-hmm. I also really appreciated the structure that it provided for us to really hone in on what our goals need to be for 2021 and where we want to see improvement and what we're going to do about it. What things we need to implement in order to start to see some of that improvement. And then we've received our first quarter report, which has been great too. And we noticed a little bit of improvement in a couple of our goals, and then we're not doing as well in a couple of our goals. So it helps us to really focus on, okay, what do we need to do to change that up?
Fantastic.
So improve in all areas.
Fantastic.